Hello friends, me Sachin Thakkar and today we are going to start most important MCQs of MSc Chemistry Semester 1 Organic Chemistry Part 2. In this video I have put direct answer instead of option, and this video is very useful for all university exam including HNGU University. So let's start. Our first question: in alkene, the hybridization of the central and outer carbons respectively are answer sp and sp2. Second question: thermolysis of alkyl phenol ether generates answer orthoalkyl phenol only. Third question: the number of rings present in a saturated hydrocarbon of molecular formula C12H16 is answer 5. Third question: the reactive intermediate involved in the conversion of phenol to salicylic aldehyde by chloroform and sodium hydroxide is a answer ketone. Fourth question: reaction of butanoic acid with diazomethane gives answer methyl benzoate. Sixth question: mutarotation involves answer distereoisomerism. Seventh question: identify the rearrangement in which a nitrine intermediate is involved. Answer Hofmann rearrangement. Eighth question: the total number of stereoisomers possible for 1,2,3 trihydroxypentane is answer 4. Ninth question: which among the following reaction proceed through a benzene intermediate? Answer bromobenzene with soda amide to form an aniline. 10th question: conversion of acetophenone to ethylbenzene can be achieved by reacting with answer zinc amalgam and HCl. 11th question: the monomeric unit present in a natural rubber is answer isoprene. 12th question: conversion of acetophenone to benzoic acid can be achieved by reaction with answer I2 and NaOH. 13th question: among formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and benzaldehyde, the aldehydes which can undergo Cannizzaro reaction on treatment with NaOH are answer formaldehyde and benzaldehyde. 14th question: reaction of ethyl formate with excess of phenyl magnesium bromide generates answer diphenyl methanol. 15th question: Fleming's revolutionized medicine through discovery of answer antibiotics. 16th question: the Watson-Crick hypothesis is an explanation of dash answer DNA structure. 17th question: which among the following reduces 2-butene to trans-2-butene? Answer LiNH3. 18th question: the irritation caused by an antibite ant bite is due to answer formic acid. 19th question: the cane sugar used for the preparation of sweets is answer a disaccharide. 20th question: are Q-butanol on treatment with thionyl chloride in non-polar solvent gives R2-chlorobutane. Which is the mechanism of what is the mechanism of reaction? Answer SNI. 21st question: in SN1 and SN2 reaction, What is the correct order of relative is of living group? Answer: iodine is greater than bromine, is greater than chlorine, is greater than fluorine. 22nd question: methyl alpha beta glucopyridoside is treatment with HLO4 followed by BrH2O and H3O plus. Which acid is formed in this reaction? Answer: COOH, COOH, COOH. 23rd question: which of the following compound is optically active? Z 3-methylcyclohexanol. 24th question: the Fisher projection representation of C6H5CHOH CHOH C6H5 corresponds to its answer: Gauge conformation. 25th question: the product formed in the catalytic hydrogenation H2PDC of benzyl cyclohexyl ether are answer: cyclohexanol and toluene. 26th question: the compound which does not undergo Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Answer: anisole. 27th question: the reaction that does not result in carbon-carbon bond formation is answer: hydroboration. 28th question: an appropriate reagent for the conversion of cyclohexanol to cyclohexanone is answer: CrO3H plus. 29th question: the suitable 29th question: the most suitable reaction for the synthesis of beta hydroxy ester. Answer: reformoxy reaction. 30th question: a reaction involving thermal reorganization of alkyl vinyl ester is known as answer: Klein rearrangement. 31st question: an example of a cis addition reaction to an alkene is answer: hydroboration. 32nd question: the reaction that gives an isocyanate is answer: Critus rearrangement. 33 question: Parkin re- 33rd question: Parkin reaction is an example of answer: an aldol reaction. 34th question: a combination of Meckel reaction followed by an aldol reaction is the key feature of a answer: Robinson annihilation. 35th question: which of the following tetrahedral molecule show optical activity? Answer: CHFClBr. 36th question: the metal used in reformsky reaction is answer: zinc. 37th question: the major product formed by dehydration of 2-butanol with H2SO4. Answer: trans-2-butene. 38th question: the rearrangement commonly used in opionor oxidation are answer: acetone and aluminum tetrabutoxide. 39th question: trans cinnamic acid can be prepared from answer: benzaldehyde, acetic anhydride and CH3COONA. 40th question: treatment of phenyl acetate with aluminum chloride will give answer: p-hydroxy acetophenone. 41 question: N-butyl benzene is conveniently synthesized by answer: Friedel-Crafts acylation of benzene with butanol chloride followed by Wolff-Kissmer reduction. 42 question. The reduction of O-oxylene to 1,2-dimethyl 1,4-cyclohexadiene can be accomplished by the use of answer NaNH3 ETOH. 43 question. The reaction that proceed through a Carbanian species is answer aldol condensation. 44th question. The solvent that is commonly used in the Grignard reagent is answer anhydrous ether. 45th question. According to Capes in Gold Prelong rules, the decreasing order of priority of groups CH3, COOH, CHO and CO3 is answer COOH is greater than CHO is greater than CO3 is greater than CH3. 46th question. The reaction that proceed through a carbocation species is answer Friedel-Crafts reaction. 47th question. The reaction which is effectively used in the synthesis of caprolactam is answer Hoffman answer Heckman rearrangement. 48th question. The reaction in which CCH bond is formed is answer Mannich reaction. 49th question. Primary alcohol can be oxidized into aldehyde by the use of answer DMSO. 50 question. Miso 2,3-dichlorobutane is optically inactive due to answer the presence of plane of symmetry. 51 question. The optical rotation of freshly prepared solution of alpha D glucose changes gradually from 111 degree to 52.5 due to answer mutarotation. 52 question. Aniline on treatment with sodium hydroxide and chloroform produces answer phenyl isocyanide. 53 question. Ketone can be converted directly into ester by the use of answer parasites. 54 question. All types of aldehyde can be converted directly into ester by which of the following reaction? Answer Tiskenko. Answer Tiskenko reaction. 55th question. Formation of isocyanate is expected in answer Schmid rearrangement. 56th question. The reduction of 4-bromo to toluene can be carried out by using 56th question. The reduction of 4-bromo to toluene can be carried out by using answer Ba2SNH oblique Al. Answer Ba2SNH AlBNH. 57th question. The suitable solvent for the preparation of Grignard reagent is answer tetrahydrofuran. 58th question. The number of stereoisomers of 1,3-dichloro-2-bromobutane is answer 4. 59 question. The enolate ion is a reactive in answer aldol addition. 60 question. The suitable rearrangement for the conversion of propanoid to ethylamine answer is Br2KOH. 61 question. The dihedral angle between the methyl groups in the most suitable conformation of 1,2 ethanoid answer 60 degree. 62 question. A convenient laboratory precursor for generating benzene is 62 question. A convenient laboratory precursor for generating benzene is answer ethylenic acid. 63 question. The two reactions sequentially involved in Robinson annulation are answer Michael followed by Adel. 64th question. The suitable rearrangement for the conversion of benzoic acid into benzyl alcohol is answer BH3. 65th question. The addition of bromine to trans 4-octene will give a answer meso product. 66th question. Carbenoid species is involved in answer Suman-Smith reaction. 67th question. The conversion of RHG OAC ROH can be accomplished by the rearrangement. Answer NaBH4. 68th question. The most suitable method for the conversion of alkyl halide into alkene is answer Corey-House reaction. 69th question. Denaturation of protein take place by answer heating. 70 question. Pyrrole can be nitrated by which of the following rearrangement? Answer CH3COO NO2. 71st question. Genetic material of cell is answer carbohydrate. 72 question. Which of the following reaction can be used for preparation of alpha hydroxy ketone from aromatic aldehyde? Answer benzoin condensation. 73 question. Which dicarboxyl which dicarbonyl compound can be converted into alpha hydroxy acid by which of these reaction? Answer benzoic acid rearrangement. 74th question. Which one of the following pairs can be distinguished by Felling's solution? Answer fructose and sucrose. 75th question. Silver acetylide when treated with DCl gives answer C2H4. 76th question. Which of the following is organometallic compound? Answer phenyl lithium. 77th question. Formic acid and acetic acid can be distinguished by answer dilute KMnO4. 78th question. Which of the following is hydrolyzed to give secondary amine? Answer HCO NiCH3 twice. 79th question. Cl2 NaOH does not react with answer benzaldehyde. 80th question. Mutarotation of glucose is observed in answer a mixture of pyridine and precresol. Dear friends, if you want to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group, then link is available in description box. Thank you.